Hey peeps, welcome. So I'm just here. It's actually 5:30 right now because daylight saving time is gone. So darkness come down faster. But anyway, that's not the point I'm making this vlog. Yes, I'm making this vlog for. I know you guys don't like me just standing up and just making vlog. You like to see me go out and have fun and stuff like that. But I have a burning issue that I want to clear up. I want to clear it up so much that people keep misunderstanding what I do and the content that I create. For all the persons that know already and are familiar with vlogs, I appreciate that, and I appreciate that you like my vlogs. However, you have people that don't know what vlogs are or what vloggers do. Alright, let me explain that with the little knowledge that I have of vloggers and what I've seen because I've watched other vloggers and what they do. A vlogger to me is a person that makes video stories. They make video stories about their life, about a situation. It could be that they like cars, so they vlog about cars. They make video stories giving detail, explaining what the car do or what kind of treat is. Video stories. So you have blogs and you have vlogs. So a blog is a written story that informs you of whatever the person is doing or whatever the person is writing. So blogs are written story. Now video blogs, they change it and call it vlogs because it is video, it is recorded. It's a recorded story. So pretty much when you see me going into the car and saying, hey, I'm going there, or hey, I'm at school, I'm telling you what I'm doing, so it is a story. Right? No. My personality, I'm a jovial person. I'm a jovial person. I love to have fun. I love to laugh. I love to be funny. I love to be creative. I love to be myself because this is me. You understand? When I'm talking to my friend them laugh. I give them joke. That might seem like I'm a comedian, but I'm not really a comedian. I might give people joke, and that might be a characteristic of a comedian. You understand? But I'm not necessarily a comedian. I might give people joke because that's my personality. It comes natural with me. I might say something to you and you laugh. I might say something to myself and you laugh because it is funny. But I'm not a stand-up comedian. This is not a comedy vlog or a comedy clip. I'm not Quiet Perry where he's a comedian, or Dottie Berry or Bella Blair and she do different content. So people, before you judge someone or before you judge me, acquire the knowledge. Find out what vlogs are before you say, hey, I don't believe this, and you judge. Get the knowledge first and then you can understand what I am doing. So again, I am a vlogger, and yes, I do make mini clips, funny mini clips, which brings out my comedic side, right? And yes, they're not all that professional because lack of resources in terms of camera to bring out what I want to bring across. But I make those and I still make vlogs. So if you see in the description of vlog, it simply means a video story, just like I'm doing now. I'm making a vlog entry educating people on what a vlog is. So my fellow people, stop judging people. If you see something that you don't know, go on YouTube or go on Google and type it in, and then there is you see when I make my thing a drop off of my ears? But yeah, so go and get the knowledge, acquire the knowledge, figure out what it is, and stop judging people. You understand? So now me have to try to educate you know. So open up on a tough head. Open on the head. Cause no find the head too tough. Cause you see things and it does jump on it. Oh, him can't, him a follow people. Vlog. No, me I do my thing. Me I be myself. If you don't like it, just not like it. If you don't like it, then enjoy it. But don't go around judging people and say, oh, I'm not good at this. No, encourage people. I'm tired of foolishness now, man. I'm at 50 vlogs. 50. And people still getting it confused. Oh, you're... No. Me I be myself. I saw me stay. When me and my sister, them wind up myself and go on a bag of things. You know, build, man. And educate yourself and get the knowledge and see the different things that people do in this world. Come on, does get people upset sometimes. But anyway, hope you enjoy this. Big up on yourself. JVLOGS to know people.